Meghan. Oh. And that's Matt. And for the past 9 months, we have visited some of the most beautiful places the US has to offer. But this month, we had to stop traveling to renovate our van. In this video, we're going to try to get out of Salt Lake City to continue our travels, but something unexpected happened. We have a huge leak in the back. If you're new here, welcome to our channel, and make sure you subscribe to see more videos from us.
I'm so stoked we have our mattress.
You're gonna be sleeping good tonight. These cushions are the reason why you guys haven't gotten a van tour yet, so I'm really excited. We can finally utilize our L-shaped couch. We've just been moving the cushions around to where we want to sit up until now, so I'm really excited. Hold for a sec, because this is not right. That is like incredibly off. I hope that it wasn't my fault.
Oh, we have a water leak.
Pause. We have a huge leak in the back.
So what happened was our vent for our thing got knocked over by this stuff.
Again. So the cushions look like 3 inches off, which is a lot. And I'm really hoping it's just because it's expanding because it was compressed.
Hey, look at this.
I messed up.
90% of the things in the garage are slightly damp. Some things are soaked. We are gonna leave, we're gonna go to the Cracker Barrel, we're gonna just take out our stuff there and just hope it dries out by tonight. And if it doesn't, then we'll just put it back in the van all wet, deal with it tomorrow. Megan's really sad because she made a big old oopsie when it came to measuring our expensive cushions.
I'm sad, but I have Catan. I'm so stupid. I hope this one fits.
Oh, Megan, if this one doesn't fit, I'm leaving you.
So we got our mattress at Mattress Insider. They cut it into 2 parts for us, and I'm hoping I didn't mess up this time.
Time to go home to the barrel. What was supposed to be such an epic, amazing day for Megan and Matt has turned into a tragedy. Thunder and lightning sounds, explosions, Saving Private Ryan, Blackout Town. Anyways, it'll be okay. There's really no sense crying over small cushions, right, Meg?
Whatever.
Yeah, she'll get over it. What's up?
How comfortable are you?
This is sick. This is like the layout we should have done from the very beginning.
Absolutely.
Everyone needs an L-shaped couch.
I'm actually really excited for the new mattress. We've been sleeping on a 3-inch mattress topper since we moved into an apartment together. Just like on the floor. This is what we've been sleeping on. This mattress topper on top of a really old egg carton foam thing. We're a little thick on this side, but we were thick on the other side.
Yo, don't tell me Megan measured the wrong thing twice.
It's fine, lay down.
Don't tell me to lay down, I'm not a dog. Whoa.
Oh,
This is nice.
oh, yes. I don't even feel the slats under me. It's kind of really nice.
It's definitely nicer than our other mattress.
It definitely is.
Yeah, now we just gotta figure out how to dispose of ours.
Yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow. I can confirm the mattress is mint. It is very firm. Just a little flip.
Oh, that's so much easier.
Easy.
Them big old butt cheeks.
Look how easy this is.
Oh, you scared the shit out of me, little dog. Hey. What's up, dude? Alright, everything's out of the van now, and we should have everything dry in, I don't know, an hour or two. Nothing's super wet anymore. Just a little damp. I'm not really worried about anything getting moldy. Yeah, that's all I got. Megan, what are you up to?
I'm just cleaning up. We're gonna have tomato bread with garlic just smeared on toasted bread. It's really good. I also have a basil plant, or basil if you're from other parts of the world.
Love me some tomato bread. Thank you, baby. Alright, I think we're good to pack up the garage again.
Okay.
And then no longer have to worry about our stuff being wet and possibly moldy. So that's good and exciting and great news.
Today's been one of the hotter days of the year, and when it's really hot, van RV fridges, they kind of like freak out a little bit, and ours is leaking, and we don't know why.
I don't even see where it's leaking from.
It's at the bottom. It's not coming through. So I don't know where that would be coming from. But it's a lot of water. I've put some paper towels down there, and 3 times already they come out like 2 minutes later soaked. Matt just said the water tank's leaking.
Can you
What do we do?
we need to get all this stuff out of those benches.
Okay.
Like right now. So this is the part that was leaking. It was just probably got knocked a few times. Came loose. Alright, well let's leave this open to let it air out.
This whole weekend has sucked.
It kind of seems like it's just one thing after another after another. I'm ready for a freaking break.
I'm ready for a beer.
I'm also ready for a beer. Maybe we should just go get a beer somewhere. So I came up with a solution to how I'm going to fix this. And it involves waiting until our water tank is basically empty. So that would probably be about another week. But for now, I fixed it using a condom, a zip tie, and a hose clamp. Yeah, sometimes you just got to use the tools you have on hand.
Well, I feel much better with that fix. Great job, babe.
How you doing, baby?
I'm not okay.
No, what's wrong?
My spirit is low. It doesn't happen very often where my spirit just like paralyzes me, but when it does, it just like... But just some quality time with Matt, the sun, hanging out, it helps. Matt's not feeling good. He just said he's defeated. I know he's the positive chipper one, but sometimes he gets sad too.
It's just one thing after another today. Oh, baby.
Stop touching my face.
I love you. Come here. Night night. Night night. Night night. F you, madam.
Should I get drunken noodles or curry?
Curry.
If you've never had Thai iced tea, you are missing out. So good.
If you've never had Thai iced tea, you're missing out. So this is the pineapple fried rice. It's fried rice with namasan curry, there's peanuts, we did shrimp, pineapple, peas, peanuts. It's fire.
I'm gonna have the green curry. We've got zucchini, we've got shrimp, pepper, vegetables. We've had 2 other curries at this place and they've been bomb. Oh my god. So much flavor.
The curry here is unmatched.
Well, today's gonna be fun because our membership at that climbing gym is almost up, so we're gonna get as much out of it as possible. Blake and Cassie are here. You might remember them from the White Sands National Park. We're gonna pick them up because they're schoolies in the shop. Sup, homies?
Guys. Hello.
Climbing was a lot of fun, and I'm sad this membership is over. We want to try to do a membership every month to get some climbing in. We really like it, and I think that's going to be like a new side hobby. We are finally leaving Salt Lake. Cannot wait to get out of here. Matt, how do you feel?
We've been in Utah since early March, and honestly, we've had a really good time here. It's been nice to slow down, reset, get our ducks in a row, and kind of figure out what we want out of life. But we're ready to get back on the road and start
Yep.
some of that fast travel again. I'd say what we've been doing is slow travel, staying in one spot for like a week versus a couple days.
Very excited. First step, laundry. Laundry done.
We're on just enough of a slant where I can get to that fitting where it should hopefully not spill out too much. There's still a little bit of water left, but honestly, I think I'm gonna be okay. I'm just gonna thread tape the fitting, put it back in, probably put the condom back on over it because why not? Silicone, hose clamp, zip tie, good to go. 5-minute project. Fuck, I just jinxed myself. Here's the little rag to make sure that I know it's not leaking. It's dry. Hose clamp, condom, zip tie. Boom, done. Whew. Can't wait to get in our hot van that's been sitting in the hot sun. But at least the solar panels are loving it, so you can't really complain too much when it's sunny out.
All right, we're all stocked up. We have one stop left before we leave. We haven't really told you guys in the vlog, but we've been hanging out with the Renegades, Jen and Charlie, and we gotta go say bye to them because I don't think we're gonna see them until probably winter time. Bye! Y'all be good. All right, let's go to Jackson. It's gonna be way cooler up there. It is scorching hot in Salt Lake. Can't wait to go. What's up?
This place is absolutely beautiful. This might be one of the nicest places we've ever stayed. There's no one nearby. I can see an RV way over there, but it's quiet. There's shotgun shells, but you know, that's par for the course. That's my new saying, I think. Par for the course.
All right, turns out we're not going to Jackson. It is beautiful here, and this is what it's like living in a van, I guess. You kind of just decide what to do whenever you want. It's awesome. You guys are awesome for watching us. We really appreciate you guys being here and supporting our channel. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.